Kapakbet, welcome sa 2026 Extravaganza Year of the Fire Horse, presenting our Elite Package. Elite Package includes 2026 Feng Shui Compass, Chi Freshener, at kung isa ka sa mga first 100 participants, may kasama itong White Umbrella Dokar Pendant as your protection, Pakbet TV Pen, Blazing Fan, 2026 Patsy Blueprint, personal map mo para malaman ang strengths, opportunities at focus area mo sa Year of the Fire Horse. 2026 Almanac, daily guide mo para ma-align sa tamang timings at energies ng taon. And not just that mga kapakbet, meron din tayong 2026 Lucky Short plus 5% discount voucher sa aming products and services. Kaya kung handa ka ng elevate ang swerte at clarity mo this 2026, the Elite Package is your best start. Let's welcome the Fire Horse year with confidence, guidance, and success. See you there mga kapakbet!